Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best treadmills for home that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NordicTrack Commercial Series treadmills. Now it is easier to take your workout to the next level with the outstanding declining capacities of this commercial treadmill from NordicTrack. The user can automatically adjust this machine to recreate the terrain of the real world through the iFit. Easily stream breathtaking workouts and highly energetic studio classes through the HD 10 inches interactive touchscreen. The user can manage the machine by automatically adjusting the inclination, declination, and speed. The treadmill comes with smart cooling, a powerful and smart responsive motor that includes architecture to support cardio training. This exercise varies from endurance running to HIIT workouts. The iFit trainer will smartly detect the speed of the user up to 12 miles per hour so that they can concentrate fully on the workout. This treadmill comes with 1-year free membership of iFit that allows you to create up to 5 user profiles to track the personal metrics, exercise history, and scores for fitness. With -3 to 15% of one-touch inclination control, this treadmill can meet all the requirements of the user with no difficulty. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bowflex T116 treadmill. The T116 treadmill from Bowflex is perfect for any dedicated trainee or an active family. It has 20 inches wide and 60 inches long running surface, which is standard for the quality home treadmill. It comes with a 3.75 chp motor to power the workout belt. This motor offers a top speed of up to 12 miles per hour. There is a motorized incline, which delivers up to a 15% gradient. It has a full-color 7.5 display screen, sitting on the main console. It comes with 9 workout programs, accessed from different buttons below the screen. It features Bluetooth 4.0 compatibility, which lets you hook up to the free Bowflex Results app. The included heart rate monitors provide you a convenient way to measure your effort while working out. It has weight capacity of up to 375 pounds. You will find the handy USB charging port for your device. At number 3, we have the Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. The TR150 Folding Treadmill from Xterra Fitness is perfect for beginners. It has a 16 inches by 50 inches running path which provides enough space for everyone in the family. The speed ranges from 0.5 to 10 miles per hour that allows all fitness levels users. It has powerful 2.25 HP motor which guarantees silent operation. It comes with 12 preset programs that offer unmatched variety for workouts. This treadmill offers 3 manual incline settings that allow for maximum variety. The treadmill comes with 5-inch LCD display for tracking all the important parameters throughout a workout. These include the time passed, distance covered, running speed, calories burned and the pulse rate. Tracking the pulse rate is crucial to ensure you monitor and manage the required level. It has hand pulse grips on the side handlebars to support you achieve your goal without much trouble trying to keep the recommended rates. The fold-up design makes it fit for use in limited space in the house and easy storage. It has weight limit of 250 pounds. At number 2, we have the Horizon Fitness T101 Series Folding Treadmill. If you are a hunt for a treadmill that you can use right in the comfort of your home anytime, the T101 Folding Treadmill from Horizon Fitness is the perfect choice for you. The walking surface is 20 inches wide and 55 inches long. It inclines up to 10%. The speed ranges from 0.5 to 10 miles per hour. It comes with 2.5 continuous duty HP motor to promote efficiency and reduce noise. It has 3 different zone response cushioning, which gives it more convenient to use. You will find the Bluetooth-enabled system, adding to the convenience of use. It has built-in speakers that can enhance your performance. It comes with the folding option, making it more fit for storing it whenever not needed. This treadmill comes with a water bottle holder, fan, tablet rack, and energy saver mode. The USB port keeps your device fully charged during long jogs. And finally at number 1, we have the Goplus electric folding treadmill. This electric folding treadmills from Goplus is an ideal for beginners. It has 16 inches by 47 inches running space is enough for you. This treadmills is made from high-quality steel. It has a speed range of 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour, and you can select depending on your fitness goals. It comes with 2.25 horsepower quiet motor delivers power for speed, interval, or endurance training. There are 3 angle change levels to help you structure a suitable workout. The cushioning on both sides on the folding treadmill reduces noise and helps to minimize floor vibration for the quiet workout. It comes with 12 modes, so you can choose when starting on your fitness journey. It can hold weight up to 250 pounds. For better storage and comfort, the treadmill can be folded to save on space. It has 5 inches LCD, so you can track the time spent, distance covered and calories burned. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.